In the natural world, some monkey species stand out for their noisy personalities and impulsive behaviors, as demonstrated by the way they communicate, live, and interact within their habitats. Howler monkeys, especially the black howler monkey, are known for their calls that echo throughout the forest. Their howls can be heard from distances of up to 5 kilometers. Mainly used to mark territory and communicate with members of the group. The sound not only indicates presence, but also warns other monkey groups to stay away from their territory. Brown monkeys, especially the brown monkeys in Puerto Rico, have been noted for their complex and sometimes disruptive behaviors. They have the ability to understand what humans see and hear. The noisy and aggressive characteristics of these monkey species not only reflect the diversity in their behavior and communication, but also demonstrate their adaptability and survival skills in a challenging natural environment. The Japanese snow monkey, also known as the Japanese macaque Macaca fuscata, is the primate that lives in the coldest regions among all monkey species in the world. They primarily inhabit the snowy mountainous areas of Japan. In places where winter temperatures can drop very low, snow monkeys have developed many special adaptive traits and behaviors to survive in these harsh conditions. Thick fur and cold resistance, and snow monkeys have thick fur that helps them withstand cold temperatures. However, their cold tolerance is only at temperatures slightly below 15 degrees Celsius. When the temperature drops further, they seek out natural heat sources to stay warm. Hot spring bathing, and none of the notable behaviors of snow monkeys is bathing in hot springs to keep their bodies warm in the Jigakadani area. Japan, where there are many natural hot springs, is home to snow monkeys that often soak in the warm water to combat the harsh cold of winter. This behavior not only helps them maintain their body temperature, but also becomes a characteristic image that attracts tourists. Living in groups and caring for one another, and snow monkeys live in groups with a tight social structure. They often groom each other. Not only for cleaning, but also to enhance social bonds and keep warm. Sleeping close to each other also helps them maintain body temperature on cold nights. The white-cheeked gibbon Nomascus leucogenes is a rare primate species that primarily inhabits the evergreen primary subtropical forests in northern Vietnam and northern Laos. They have a tree-dwelling behavior, are usually active during the day, and live in small groups, typically consisting of pairs and their young. The white-faced black monkey is intelligent, agile, and very affectionate. Some notable characteristics, and family-oriented. They live in small groups consisting of a pair of parents and their offspring, showing great loyalty to their partners. Very flexible and skillful, their ability to branch out is extremely proficient thanks to their long arms. Sociable but territorial, although not aggressive, they still tend to protect their territory from other groups. Communication through singing. They have a distinctive song to mark their territory and communicate with their kind, especially in the early morning. Communication through singing. They have a unique song to mark their territory and communicate with their kind, especially in the early morning. At birth, both males and females are yellow, then turn black as they mature. Females will revert to yellow when they reach reproductive age. They do not have tails like regular monkeys, but use their hands to move through the trees. The species is threatened due to habitat loss and hunting. Therefore, they are protected in several areas such as Cuc Phuong National Park and Pu Mat National Park in Vietnam.